Welcome back. Temperatures warming up quite a bit this afternoon after a chilly start. The high temperature at the Savannah Airport actually reached all the way up to 80 degrees, well short of the record of 90 in 1954, but a few degrees above the seasonal average. And this week, well, we started off a little cool today, but the warm air is really taking over in your forecast. And it's going to actually feel like spring for several days in a row as temperatures are going to be climbing up into the 80s with lots of sunshine throughout the week. Here's where we stand right now. Along the immediate coast, we're cooler in the 60s because of the influence of the colder waters. At Hilton Head, you're right now 68 degrees. And you get further away from the coast, you've got 78 in Hinesville. And you've got 80 right now in Metter as well as Sylvania. This process will continue each late afternoon as that water temperature in the 50s has an influence on the immediate coast. As far as your satellite and radar, we see a little bit of moisture back out west of Memphis, but just a couple of high clouds may come into our area from that, nothing more. Other than that, we're going to continue to see lots of sunshine coming up. Let me show you what we're tracking as we head through your Tuesday. We continue to see mostly clear skies, maybe just a few high wispy clouds through 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Then as we go through Wednesday, lots of sun once again, and right on through Thursday, any significant moisture is going to be well out to our west. So what you had out there today is going to continue, and temperatures are actually going to get a little bit warmer as we head through the week. Now, tomorrow, we'll get off to a bit of a cool start. We'll begin at 46 degrees. We'll have clear skies and maybe a few high clouds mixing with the sun throughout the day, and high temperatures reaching up at least to near 80. And we'll see some areas a little bit higher than that, especially inland. Your tides will include a high tide at 9:35 tonight, another one tomorrow morning at 10:06. Let's check out your forecast on the water. We're looking at breezes out of the south coming up the next 3 days. And on land, that's going to continue to mean warm temperatures. Let's see what's happening with your latest pollen report. That tree pollen remains in the high range, as does mold. Your storm tracker 7-day forecast has highs jumping well into the 80s through the end of the week. Over the weekend, though, it does look like some clouds will increase, and at some point, we may have some rain chances. We'll fine-tune as we get closer. Right now, it looks like the higher chances will be towards the end of the weekend and the beginning of next week.